Hello student, welcome to the chemistry lecture. And in previous video we had seen measurable properties of gases. There are 6 measurable properties: mass, volume, pressure, temperature, density and diffusion, and out of which mass and volume is completed, these two properties. And today I am going to teach you in detail what is pressure, unit of pressure, temperature, density and diffusion. Okay, so let's see. First property means third property, measurable property is pressure. Pressure is the force per unit area. Force per unit area is called as pressure. Then pressure is equals to formula, pressure is equals to force upon area, and it is denoted as F upon A. F upon A. Pressure is measured by, manometer. Pressure is measured by manometer, and atmospheric pressure is measured by barometer. Atmospheric pressure is measured by barometer, and normal pressure is measured by manometer. The SI unit of pressure we can find out by this formula. As you know, the SI unit of force is Newton and area is meter square. So, SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square, and it is also known as Pascal. It is known as Pascal. And this can be written as Newton per meter square. It can be written as Newton per meter square, Nm minus 2. Okay. Then some conversions are there. Pascal into Newton per meter square, and it is in kg per meter per second square. So let's see the units of pressure. One Pascal, SI unit of pressure is Pascal or Newton per meter square. So 1 Pascal is equals to 1 Newton per meter square. 1 Newton per meter square, and it is equals to, in terms of kg, 1 kg per meter per second square. Then 1 bar is also unit of pressure. 1 bar is equals to 1 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal. And 1 atmospheric pressure is equals to 76 centimeter of Hg, and it is equals to 760 mm of Hg, and it is also known as 760 torr. Torr is also another unit of pressure. Then 1 atmospheric pressure is equals to 101.325 kilopascal. It is equals to 101.325 Pascal, and it is equals to 101.325 0.01325 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter square. Newton per meter square, or it is equals to 1.01325 bar. So units of pressures are Pascal. First I have Pascal, one unit is Pascal, then Newton per meter square, then bar, then atmosphere, torr. These are the units of pressure. Is it clear, student? Then next property is temperature. Next property is temperature. We'll see. I will repeat it again. First, pressure. Pressure is the force per unit area. That is force upon area is equals to pressure, and unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. From this formula, it is 1 Pascal, and 1 bar is equals to 1 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal. 1 atmosphere is equals to 76 cm of Hg or 760 mm of Hg. It is also torr. Then 1 atmosphere is equals to 101.325 kilopascal. That is 101.325 Pascal. And if we multiply by 10 raised to 5, then it becomes Newton per meter square. It is 1.01325 bar. So Pascal, Newton per meter square, bar, atmosphere and torr, these are the units of pressure. Now next property is temperature. What is temperature? Temperature is the degree of hotness and coldness. Temperature, it is the degree of hotness or coldness is temperature. And there are three units, that is degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit and Kelvin. And interconversion between them, the temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness, and the units are degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit and Kelvin, and the they are related to each other by the formula degree Fahrenheit is equals to 9 upon 5 degree Celsius plus 32. If the temperature is given in degree Celsius, then we can convert it into Kelvin and degree Fahrenheit. For Fahrenheit conversion, formula is 9 upon 5 degree Celsius plus 32, and in Kelvin is equals to degree Celsius plus 273.15. This is the another formula. So these are the three units which are related to each other. Okay. Then next property is density. Next one is density. Density of gas is the mass per unit volume. Mass per unit volume is called density. So density is equals to mass upon volume. Mass upon volume. So its SI unit is kg per meter cube. Unit of mass is kg and volume, unit of volume is meter cube. So density, SI unit of density is kg per meter cube. In case of gas, In case of gas, relative density is measured with respect to hydrogen, with respect to hydrogen and it is called as sorry it is called as vapor density. If in case of gases, if relative density is measured with respect to hydrogen, it is called as vapor density, and formula for vapor density is Vd is equals to molar mass of gas, given gas, upon 2, and therefore from this formula we can calculate molar mass also. If vapor density is given, then molar mass is equals to vapor density into 2. Okay, so what is density? Density is the mass per unit volume, and SI unit of density is kg per meter cube. And in case of gases, if the relative density is measured with respect to hydrogen, and it is called as vapor density. Formula for vapor density is molar mass upon 2, and therefore we can calculate, if we know the vapor density, we can calculate molar mass. Molar mass is equals to 2 into vapor density. And the last property is diffusion. When gases collide with each other, they diffused and they form a mixture. In case of gases, rate of diffusion of two or more gases is measured as rate of diffusion is equals to volume of gas diffused upon time required for diffusion. Volume of gas diffused upon time required for diffusion, and SI unit is dm cube per second or cm cube per second. So these are the measurable properties of gases: mass, volume, pressure, then temperature, density and diffusion. These all properties are very important. And in next video, I will teach you the relationship between pressure, volume, temperature and density. So there are some laws which are related to these properties. So first law is Boyle's law. Second one is Charles' law. Third law is Avogadro law. And fourth one is Gay-Lussac's law. In next video, I will teach you these laws: Boyle's law, Charles' law, Avogadro law and Gay-Lussac's law. Okay, goodbye.